Welcome to my bathroom. Today I am going to share with you how I keep my shower door crystal clear year-round. However, today it is very dirty on purpose. And all you will need are just a few products. Before we get started though, I want to share with you I am wearing a hair mask and I am also wearing some eye. So on my hair right now, on dry hair my friends, I have the Olaplex number 0. This is a new product for them. You leave it on about 15-20 minutes and then you go, it's on dry hair my friends. Then you go in with Olaplex number 3 and you just leave that on and then you get in the shower and wash your hair and voila, your hair is looking better. Now I am not a huge fan of Olaplex, but these two products together are working pretty darn good. I always take advantage of time for masking. So I'm cleaning today. I'm going to mask today. So I am using on my eyes, and I really like these because they go all the way around. They focus on the crow's feet. They are a little pricier. This is my first time trying them. And they are from BISOUS, and they are a anti-puffiness and smoothing biocellulose eye mask. And they do stay in place, my friends. All right, so let's get started on our shower. I hate a dirty shower door. I have a huge, in our New York home, which is on the market, we had a full glass shower surrounded, and I could not stand water spots, streaks, anything. So I started experimenting with products that I could buy, spend a lot of money on, and all you will need to keep your shower door clean are two things that you probably have, one in your pantry and one in your kitchen. And that is good old vinegar. You need 1 cup of vinegar in a spray bottle. And then you are going to squirt in about 1/4 cup of Dawn. I use the Platinum Advanced. You need about 1/4 cup. Some people heat the vinegar up and then in the microwave, just warm, not hot, and then they put the Dawn in there. I think it just helps it to emulsify better. I don't have a problem with it at all. Everything blends perfectly. Now you don't want to go shaking it like crazy because of the Dawn. It will foam up and then you might have a problem squirting it out of your bottle. And the bottles I buy at Walmart, $1. Okay, so there we have our 1 cup of vinegar and 1/4 cup of Dawn dishwashing liquid. It is important to use the blue. Yes, it is. Okay? All right, so now here I have a very, very dirty shower door. It has soap scum, it has hair mask, it has everything on it. And really, to get through this week with my shower door like this so I could bring in this video, was rough. All right, so what I do is I just take a washcloth, and this is just to hold over my mouth while I'm spraying. This vinegar is very acidic. If you breathe it in, you have sensitive lungs, it may hurt. If you have a mask, go ahead and wear the mask, but not a thin one, wear a thick one. Because I'm not kidding, if you breathe in too much of the vinegar, it is abrasive to the lungs. All right, so we are going to step into the shower. I have my washcloth, and this is what I hold over my face while I'm spraying this, because I do have sensitive lungs. But we are wearing masks enough, my friends. I don't want to wear one to clean. So I hold this over my nose while I'm in there spraying. So I'm going to take the inside. Let me lower this just a little bit so you can see. We are going to step inside my shower, and we are going to be focusing on the side of the shower door that is inside the shower. I hope you can hear me once I get in here. The outside, you just want to use regular vinegar and water and spritz it and wipe it down and then go buff it with a glass rag, you know, those microfiber, very thin ones, and you will have a streak-free shower, my friends. All right, so we're going to go in the shower, and I'm just going to saturate the side of the door that is inside the shower. So here I go. Okay, so the inside of the shower is totally saturated. We're going to let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can let it sit a little bit longer. It doesn't even matter if it dries down because it's still there doing its job, all right? if you have a marble floor or a wooden floor, you do want to put a towel down or leave the shower door open inside of the shower so that when it does drip, it's not doing damage to your floor. Because on marble, this will cause etching. It'll take the shine off of your floor if you have a marble floor, and it may discolor your wooden floor. So make sure your shower door is open, or make sure something is under to absorb the dripping. All right, so I'm just gonna move along and do a couple of other things in the bathroom, and I'll be back to show you what we do next, all right? All right, so we're back at my shower door. It's been about 20 minutes, it's been sitting on here. So now I'm gonna go in. This is a non-abrasive, this is from Scotch-Brite. All you want is something that is non-abrasive. You don't want like a Brillo pad. You don't want anything that is going to perhaps ruin your shower door. So I'm going to go inside the shower. I'm going to wet this down just slightly, and then I'm going to scrub the back of the door. So here we go. While in the shower, I went in circular motions, and then I just go back and forth to make sure that I cover every single area. Now I'm going to go in and just rinse it clean. Last step is to take a squeegee, go into your shower. You'll need a cloth as well, and just squeegee from the top down. Wipe your squeegee off and just continue on. This will help to dry the shower and leave no streaks behind. Alright, my friends, so you can see there is a huge difference. I hope you can see. There is a huge difference in the way the shower door looks now. It's amazing what a little bit of vinegar and Dawn dishwashing liquid can do. And for the outside, all I do is take a little bit of vinegar and water. I use a microfiber, I give it a spritz, and I just wipe off any fingerprints that may be on there. And the final thing that I would suggest, if you have a glass shower door especially, now this is not the Lysol Daily Cleaner. I actually kept this container because I like the shape of this bottle better. I actually use the Method Shower Daily Cleaner, and all you do is spritz it after you're done taking your shower. We leave it sit for a minute, and then we just squeegee down to take all of these spots off, and our shower door stays looking almost new. I have to do this treatment about once or twice a month. It really depends how much I've been masking in the shower and how much sprays on the door. But we really do try to do the daily cleanse as well. And that's it. That's how you keep your shower door looking fabulous year-round, my friends. A little bit of vinegar and Dawn dishwashing liquid. Who knew? All right, my friends, that's it. I'm going to let you go. In the comments, let me know if you have a special cleaning tip or a special cleaning product that you use that gets the job done every single time. I actually love cleaning. I know. Most people do not like cleaning. Today is a overcast, rainy day here in Florida, so I'm cleaning and it doesn't bother me at all. It's very therapeutic for me. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you the next time, my friends. Love you all. Bisous.